You thought you'd build a house you could be proud of. You thought the walls would last your whole life long. But you stand here today amid the rubble of a life that has suddenly gone wrong. Regrets are piled around like broken windows. Hopes like crushed and scattered on the ground. On your knees you search for something to hold on to, something that as yet you've never found. He will rebuild and restore a life that is shattered and torn. No matter what you have been through, there's nothing that God cannot do. You'll be amazed when you see how beautiful your life can be, stronger than ever before. He will rebuild and restore. The bricks you used were weak from the beginning. When trouble came, they crumbled from within. You would sweep away the mess that you've created if you only had the strength to start again. The life you want begins with the foundation.